name is Rajveer, and this is my dog sled team. My goal is to make a dog sled team that pulls a sled. I used a lot of parts, including half bushing and light sensor. I hate to break it to you, but I only used 2 move blocks in the whole program, making it pretty quick. I have lots of issues, like the 2 dogs fighting with each other. Thanks for watching. Dogs fighting with each other.
So can you tell us why do you think it does that?
I have no idea why.
You might think it might be the motors going the wrong way.
Because they possibly hate each other.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, let's give it. Thank you, Rajveer. Let's give a round of applause.